A tornado warning remains in effect for Cherokee County until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tornado emergency for Cherokee at 7:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A confirmed large, violent and extremely dangerous tornado was located near QUIMBY and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Major damage was reported in QUIMBY, with several power poles down west of WASHTA. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: you could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Complete destruction of neighborhoods, businesses and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. The tornado will be near Cherokee around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Aurelia around 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.